Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever right-clicked a folder and noticed that the Open with VS Code option has mysteriously disappeared, don't panic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bring it back instantly using a simple automated script. The best part? It's super quick, avoids human mistakes, and works on Windows 10 and 11. So stick around till the end because I'll also test it live so you can see it in action. Here I am on my desktop homepage. Let's say I create a new folder. I'll just call it Test Folder. Now, I right-click this folder, expecting to see Open with VS Code, but nope, it's not there. This can happen after updates, reinstalls, or sometimes even by accident. To fix this, I'm going to use a ready-made automation script that I've linked in the description below. This script will restore the VS Code option in your right-click menu without you having to manually dig through the registry. Now, before you run it, there's one important thing. You need to edit the username in the script. See here where it says user_name? Replace that with your actual Windows username. To make it faster, I'm using the Replace option shortcut. I just press Ctrl H on my keyboard. Type user_name in the Find box and then enter my actual username in the Replace box. Then I click Replace All, and in one click, all instances are updated. After you've made the change, click File, Save. Now I just double-click the script file and Windows will ask for confirmation. Click Yes on all the prompts, and that's it. The registry is updated and the VS Code option should now be back. Let's test it. I right-click the same folder again, and there it is. Open with Code is back in the context menu. I click it, and VS Code opens the folder perfectly. Just to be sure everything is working, I'll create a new file here called script.js. I'll type console.log hello world. Save it and run it in the terminal. And as you can see, it prints Hello World just fine. And that's how easy it is to restore the Open with VS Code option in Windows using an automated script. No manual registry editing, no guessing, just edit, run, and you're done.
If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and drop a comment if you want me to cover other VS Code tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
And that's it. We've successfully restored the Open with VS Code option using an automated script. Quick, clean, and no manual registry headache. If you found this useful, I've got a couple more tutorials you might love. Check out my video on how to set up NVIDIA GPU for deep learning. Perfect if you're diving into AI work. And if you're into AI art, watch my step-by-step on how to generate deforum Stable Diffusion videos using Google Colab for free.